the aspects of Japji Sahib, and that's often repeated in Gurbani, is the concept of Dhyaan, which is having a constant conversation with yourself that is constantly speaking of, reflecting upon, and meditating and remembering God. It's really a very simple thing, and yet the most difficult thing for us all to do. The mind needs to remember, and it's that remembrance, that constant remembrance, which is Dhyaan. And this is a self-knowledge that is arrived at through the constant reflection of and remembrance of in all aspects of our identity, of the presence of God within our souls and within our being, and our presence within that being of God, the God, Akal Purakh, the undying presence in all.